My take on popular street food Vietnamese rice paper omelette with a twist of seafood filling inside, which makes it extra yummy. Let's make this crispy rice paper omelette. For the filling, I'm using some spring onion, garlic, and ginger. I'm gonna chop them up and then it will go in the food processor along with some raw tiger prawns. I'm also using some soy sauce and sesame oil, which will make it juicy and extra delicious. So everything will get minced inside and the paste will look something like this, sticky. Now beat one egg with tablespoon of that filling inside, hot pan, rice paper in, and then brush with some chili oil. Now the whole filling goes inside, spread it across, and then wait few seconds and then flip. Now you gotta flip it couple of times until it's really crispy from the outside. Cut them according to your liking and then enjoy. For more easy recipes, please follow. I post 3 to 4 recipes every week.